Our traveling from Netherlands to France in mountains, next we're going to Cannes and Monaco countries. Italy, from Italy to Switzerland, from Switzerland to Czech Republic, and we're going in Poland and back at home in my country Lithuania. The road is very shiny, like his half inside diamonds. And now we're arriving in Monaco country. It looks very beautiful and water very blue.
И море у них побольше голубизны. Шутка, конечно, но все-таки тут Монако.
Officially, the Principality of Monaco. This is road of Monte Carlo Road. It's Formula One road. Monaco is near France and Italy border, and they have beautiful sea. Official languages French, common languages Italian and Ligurian. Ethnic groups Occitans, Monegasques, French, Italians. Monaco is not European Union, but they have currency euro. Religion in Monaco 86% Christianity. Monaco government unitary parliamentary semi-constitutional monarchy. Monarch Albert II. We parked the motorcycle near to another motorcycle, but ours motorcycle too big. But what we can do? We live and we go to city center. People in Monaco very rich, and they have a lot of expensive boats, yacht, and we see around expensive, very expensive boat. There is often a boat show here. If you are rich, you can come and choose one of them. You need just 1 or 2 million euros. Now we are choosing a ship for us, and we know what we want. And we see one yacht for sale. You can buy that. We see here Moto Club de Monaco. Here is a monument for one racer and Mercedes bolide. We sitting, relaxing and drinking cappuccino. We tasting Monaco ice cream. It's not expensive, it's normal price. A lot of buildings on the mountain. I think it's expensive, very expensive to live in Monaco. How many people lives in Monaco? I think around 48,000 people. It's not too much. We're leaving this country and going to Italy. City Loano. We see beautiful view. It's for our guest house. Now we're in Loano in Italy and we stay for one night in this apartment. This is very quality guest house. We're very happy. It's near our motorcycle and it's very big flat. We're going inside. We see kitchen, it's refrigerator, coffee machine, a lot of food and Italian style. Now we're in the gas station and we're going to Switzerland. Mountain. Let's go. This is a freeway in Italia. It's perfect road. We're riding and see it around beautiful view. We admire the beauty of the road. For one side mountains, for another sea. For left side we see it beautiful blue lake and now we are near the Switzerland border. For last time we're standing in the gas station, we're drinking coffee, cappuccino, we're eating dessert and let's go to Switzerland. We paid Switzerland road tolls and we think we're back here again. We can see Switzerland in the distance. Now we have special ticket for road and we can drive legally. And now we see Switzerland signs. It's a crucifix. Switzerland, one of most beautiful country in the world. Around mountain and very green country. Government, Federal Assembly, Independent Directory Republic. We arrive in the supermarket and buy just local food, local wine, local cheese and local meat. We put in the garage motorcycle. There is a Furniture Restoration workshop. And here we're looking our guest house. We're staying for one night in these places. And here is a flat. We're looking here kitchen, living room. Our owner is boxing man and sleeping room. Our helmet very tired. And my wife also very tired. New day, new adventures. Thanks for this house, and we're going in another countries. We're right in the new countries for us. It's Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein country, and we see signs for Liechtenstein. This country is 160 square kilometers. In the mountains, in the front, we see it Liechtenstein castle, old castle. We arrive in the Liechtenstein wine factory. We go inside and we're looking what they have. We want to buy something originally from Liechtenstein. We think what we can buy. We think we buy one bottle whiskey with Liechtenstein. Yes, it's this. We buy one bottle whiskey, we see it Liechtenstein flag around beautiful mountain and plate with number Liechtenstein. It's originally plate from Liechtenstein. It's black color, very interesting. We arrive in the coffee. We drink cappuccino and Liechtenstein desert. My wife, she's very happy. We taste something and riding to Austria. We're looking here Liechtenstein, but near it's Austria. Where it is? It's Austria country. We're driving through Austria a little bit and near it's Deutschland. Now we in Deutschland. In Deutschland we're standing for lunch. It's very beautiful places around big stone and around very green. We're tasting food for different countries, from Italy, from France, from Switzerland. In Deutschland, people love motorcycle, big, small, a lot of traffic in the road, but we're riding near car and it's not problem for us. We see it again motorcycle and again motorcycle. We drink again coffee and let's go to country Czechoslovakia. We see it new signs Czech Republic. In this country who have a lot of forest, a lot of green forest. We right in city who have name Karlovy Vary. This city is resort. It's very beautiful city. They have a lot of mineral water. looking places where we live. And our guest house is near. And now we see our guest house. It's very old house, but it's very nice and beautiful. We're staying in this big house alone. I show you our flat in this house. It's very interesting. This is I. That's my wife. And here is something from Cartoon Network. It is a toy mole. It's named Mooney. When I'm young, I see cartoon about this mole. We ride with motorcycle around Old Town.
И наш любимый магазин.
Так, Чехия.
And here
мы
we
видим?
see very strange inscription.
Видим мы
They write
пивные ванны.
it's beer but.
Вот такая вот реклама тут.
Okay, it's very interesting.
Так что
Beer
нам
but.
сюда скупаемся.
I need to try this. Maybe it's here. But maybe we go in this restaurant. It's a beer restaurant in Czech Republic. We want to try a little bit Czech beer. This restaurant name Gambrinus Karlovska Serdečka.
Бар.
It's like
Здесь и пиво готовят, и тут и
Gambrinus
попробуем.
Karlova. And now we try beer with my wife. Cheers. In Czech Republic they have a lot of different beer. It's good beer. Cheers. I'm try deer roast and my wife try cheese roast with potatoes. And of course garlic sauce. And another beer. Cheers! Karlovy Vary, they very famous because they have a lot of mineral water. A lot of different mineral water. We try one. It's hot water. Mineral water, it's very good for health. Karlovy Vary, Old Town and river with mineral water. I think it's mineral, but who's know? We want to try another mineral water, but we're looking about 60 degrees. It's too much for us. It's too hot. We find another one, mineral water, but it's also 53 degrees. Yeah, it's also a little bit too hot. But my wife tried a little bit and she said I can to drink a little bit. And now my wife is very happy and she very strong because she drinks mineral water. And now we love Karlovy Vary. And if you love, you need to edit photo with this logo. Vari. I love Vari. I love water. And I love my wife. And we see here everywhere mineral water. It's this water, it's for free. You can try here everywhere for free. And a very beautiful light in city. Different colors. Evening. It's good places for vacation. We're still in the Czech Republic. We arrive in the Java Museum. It's a motorcycle Java. It's legendary motorcycle from my young time. My camera got the rain and now he's shaking. We see it Java, very old, 1946. It's very beautiful motorcycle. All Java, very old, very beautiful motorcycle. It's toy, and now we see new motorcycle Java. It's Java from India, from Argentina, from China, but it's not good motorcycle. My American motorcycle, here it's Soviet Union motorcycle, and we ride to Poland. Still raining and cold. Very cold. From Czech Republic we got strong wind and strong rain. All hours road. This city in Czech Republic named Trutnov. When we're skiing here in mountains, we stay in this beautiful city. And we remember when we drink beer here. In this trip we did it 4,000 kilometers. From Netherlands to France, from France to Monaco, from Monaco to Italy, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Czech Republic, Polish, and we're back in my country, Lithuania. Thanks for watching.